Hello mga kapitbahay. This is Kapitbahay USA. Right now, I'm making for dinner. This is toge. Ayan po, sprout. At my tofu. Ayan po. And I put a little bit of soy sauce. And I saute with garlic, onion, and tomatoes. Ayan po mga kapitbahay. Ready for Let's eat mga kapitbahay.